It is Saturday morning. I wake up early. I open the window. I let fresh air in. I make my bed. I pick up my clothes. I put the clothes in the laundry basket. I take out the trash. I bring a cleaning cloth. I clean the table. I wipe the shelves. I dust the TV. I dust the picture frames. I clean the mirror. I organize my books. I put things in the right place. I collect dirty dishes. I take the dishes to the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I put the dishes away. I clean the kitchen counter. I wipe the stove. I clean the sink. I sweep the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I go to the living room. I pick up the toys. I arrange the cushions. I fold the blankets. I dust the furniture. I vacuum the carpet. I clean under the sofa. I tidy up the living room. I go to the bathroom. I clean the mirror. I scrub the sink. I clean the toilet. I wash the bathtub. I mop the bathroom floor. I start the washing machine. I wash my clothes. I hang the clothes outside. I water the plants. I sweep the front yard. I put away cleaning supplies. I check every room. The house looks clean. I feel happy and relaxed. I enjoy the rest of my weekend.